Hello everyone, this is your host Bilal, and in this video we are going to discuss how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. If you want to start selling on Facebook Marketplace for free and make money easily, then do watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's jump on Facebook to access Facebook Marketplace. To go to Facebook Marketplace, you can click on this Facebook Marketplace option, or you can go to facebook.com/Facebook Marketplace. On this Facebook Marketplace, you can see all the nearby listing of products that people want to sell. To start selling on Facebook Marketplace, you just need to click on this sell something option. Currently, Facebook is offering three categories including vehicles, properties, and items. So let us start with an item to better understand this marketplace. So here I am planning to sell my headphones on Facebook Marketplace. First I need to select the category on the item. So it should fall under electronics and computer categories. Then write the title that best describes the item that you are selling on Facebook Marketplace. Then you need to set the price on which you want to sell this item. After that, you need to add images. You can add up to 10 images for a single product listing. So wait for the image to upload. Then add product description to tell about the features of your item. After that, just click next button, and here you get the option of listing this product in different Facebook groups. You can push your listing up to 20 different groups on Facebook. If you do not want to do that, then just click on the publish button and your item will be listed on Facebook Marketplace. Now the item is live on Facebook Marketplace. You have the option to delete or edit the listing while it is live on while the listing is live. So that's it. It's very a straightforward process, and that's how you can use Facebook Marketplace to sell products on Facebook for free. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel to get more update on the new videos about online selling and product hunting tips. Till then, goodbye.